Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fajita meat is marinated and grilled before it is cut into strips and served. The best way to get a tender slice of meat is to cut perpendicular to, across, the grain of the meat. Sometimes the grain is not straight across the whole piece of meat and can change direction several times, presenting a challenge. 30 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Almost as important as the marinade is how to cut the meat. To ensure tender fajitas, make sure to cut the meat across the grain. Otherwise, this beautiful piece of fajita meat will be tough. There's a scientific reason behind this. Cutting across the grain results in chewing the meat with the grain. 14 July 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Skirt steak is better for fajitas. You can make fajitas with flank, but since it does not soak up marinades very well, they will taste more like steak tacos than true fajitas. The looseness also means that, when cut across the grain, slices of skirt are going to be more tender than flank. 15 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.